It's not about munching. It's not just about life and death. It's about the pain and suffering marine animals endure from plastic pollution. Every year, over 8 million metric tons of plastic enter our oceans, equivalent to dumping a garbage truck of plastic every minute. If current trends continue, by 2050, there could be more plastic in the ocean than fish. In the United States alone, estimates of daily plastic straws uses ranges from 170 million to 500 million. These straws are typically used for only 30 minutes before being discarded. Single-use plastics, particularly plastic straws, pose a significant environmental threat. They are designed for one-time use and are not biodegradable, meaning they persist in the environment for centuries. Over time, these plastics break down into microplastics, tiny particles that contaminate ecosystems and enter the food chain, affecting all forms of life, including humans. Marine animals are particularly vulnerable. Sea turtles, for instance, can suffer from plastic straws becoming lodged in their nostrils, leading to pain, infection, and difficulty breathing.
Oh, is it simple? Hold up. Oh, man. Oh, man.
Birds and fish often mistake small pieces of food, which can lead to internal injuries, starvation, and death. Certain chemicals used in production of plastic straws, such as acrylonitrile, have been classified as carcinogenic to humans. Acrylonitrile is known to increase the risk of lung cancer and has been associated with oxidative stress and DNA damage. Paper straws seems eco-friendly, but research shows they contain more harmful PFAS than plastic straws. If possible, drink directly instead of using straws. Let straws be reserved for those who truly need them and prefer recyclable, biodegradable options for a sustainable world.